SAKO brand lithium battery and Peer brand inverter communication protocol installation guide. Step 1. First, open the wiring cover of the inverter. Step 2. Use the battery connection line to connect the battery pole of the lithium battery to the positive battery pole on the inverter, and then the lithium battery. The negative electrode is connected to the negative battery electrode of the inverter. Step 3. Use the network connection cable to insert the communication port between the inverter and the lithium battery. The lithium battery is connected to CAN RS485 port, inverter connected to BMS port. Step 4. The AC input of the inverter is correctly connected to the mains. Open the lithium battery start switch, and then open the inverter start switch to open the inverter. Step 5. Lithium battery dip selection. If the inverter is only connected to a set of lithium batteries, please select the lithium battery side dip switch as 1. If multiple batteries are used in parallel, set the dip switch of the second battery to 2, and so on. Step 6. Lithium battery and inverter communication protocol settings. First, turn on the lithium battery switch. Enter the home page. Press the first main menu button to enter the next interface, and then press the fourth DON button to enter the lower communication protocol setting interface, and then press the second Enter button to select the communication protocol of the corresponding brand inverter. Corresponding settings for each brand inverter are listed in the table. If the inverter is for 185 communication port, the number of the corresponding 485 communication port in the list is set. If the inverter is CAN communication port, the number of the corresponding CAN communication port in the list is set as shown in the figure. Step 7. Set the battery working mode to lithium battery working mode on the battery setting page of the energy storage inverter to complete all settings. The corresponding brand communication protocol is shown in figure 3 below. But if the customer uses the Deye brand energy storage inverter, and the BMS on the lithium battery pack only supports 485 communication, it is necessary to set the lithium battery working mode after the inverter. Press the down arrow twice on the same interface to carry out the next interface. Click the white bar in the corresponding project lithium mode. Press the up and down button on the upper and lower inverter to set the parameter of this column to 12. And then check square root to confirm on the right side of this interface to complete all operations. Step 8. Check whether the communication data of the inverter and the lithium battery are synchronized. The percentage of battery power displayed on the inverter is consistent with the percentage of DATTRY power displayed on the lithium battery.